G'day, it's Jason Hodges here. I want to tell you about one of the most experienced and highly regarded turf growers in the Hawkesbury, Grech's turf. Grech's turf provides exceptional turf throughout the region, from Gosford to Nowra and everywhere in between. At Grech's turf, outstanding customer service is a top priority. Their experienced staff will help you every step of the way, from your new lawn selection and installation to ongoing care and maintenance. Beautiful. Grech's turf grow their own lawns, so they know which one's going to be perfect for your job. And they're a member of Lawn Solutions Australia, which means they're only going to provide you with the highest quality turf to your door. Grech's turf is an AusGAP certified turf producer, which guarantees only the very best turf is grown and delivered to your door. You'll appreciate the 10-year product warranty that comes with all turf purchases. This guarantees that the turf delivered will be able to perform to its maximum potential. Grech's have also got an extensive range of lawn care products, so your lawn, your turf can look its best all year round. So if you're looking for instant lawn or quality service and backup, you've got to give Grech's a call.